auto homing of the TEVO Tornado with the TMC2208 stepper drivers with 600 as the current. Alrighty. In uart mode. Just to verify, we're going to go to configuration, advanced settings, scroll all the way down to TMC drivers. Driver current 600 across the board, which is what I found in an online configuration for not Merlin firmware. I think it was like Clipper or something like that, but it was the closest thing I could find since I couldn't find any information on my stepper drivers or stepper motors, and I didn't want to go with the information or the position of the potentiometers on my old MKS baseboard because they were all over the charts. One was at like 0.8 volts, one was at like 0.2 volts, and it made no rhyme or reason because like X was 0.8, Y was 0.2, Z was 1.4, and extruder was like, I don't know what it was. But anyway, motion, auto home. Oh, I did home X. Auto home. There we go. So you can see it's kind of what I expected for quiet. And then there's that. I'm going to link this video along with a Reddit post comparing a 20mm test cube before the stepper motor change as well as after the stepper motor change, both printed from the same file, same settings, same everything. So